Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our YouTube KP Astro Super. Today we will see who will decrease the level of oxygen in their body because coronavirus is spreading like anything without any control in each and every part of our country. The government as well as all doctors are struggling too much to control the contagious factor of coronavirus, but it is out of control. Every day the death rate is increasing day by day. First symptom of coronavirus, you are all aware of it. First symptom of coronavirus, level of oxygen in our body is reducing. You see, in our body, 95% is required. 95% of oxygen is required for each and every cell to grow, each and every cell to survive. Then only each and every cell will grow. Then how it is possible? First, what made 95% of oxygen for each and every cells of our body? Let us see from the beginning for some academic purpose. Our lung is actually, in atmospheric air, there is 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, and 1% of CO2 plus all other gas. It is the atmospheric air. The atmospheric air contains 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, and 1% of CO2 and all other gases are combined together. We inhale air from through our nose. Then the air goes into the lungs. The lungs separates the oxygen from the air, and that oxygen will be the oxygen will be added into blood through red corpuscles, and that blood will go to heart. The heart will pump the oxygenated blood to each and every parts and cells of the body. This system is working throughout our life, throughout entire life. It is happening inside the body. Suppose if the oxygen level is reduced, each and every cell cannot survive, and it may cause very serious effort. Death of oxygen leads to very serious problem. Now, because of damage of lungs due to coronavirus, the separation of oxygen is very, very impossible by some corona infected person. Then we will see, according to KP stellar astrology, advanced KP stellar astrology, which bhava is responsible for lungs, and which bhava is responsible for which graha is responsible for lungs. We will see. For lungs, fourth house is responsible for lungs. Fourth house is the Karaka for lungs in our human body. We have to see each and every horoscope that fourth house, what is the permanent destiny of fourth house. You can see, before that we have to analyze what are the stable bhavas. The stable bhavas are 1, 2, 6, 7, 10. Then all other bhavas, except that bhavas, are all other bhavas. Then fourth bhava, we can see the fourth bhava is unstable bhava. Unstable bhava. For all other stable bhavas, the permanent destiny should be good, or should be in good position. Then only the destiny of the individual, that is the human being, should be. Why the permanent destiny should be good for that stable bhavas? Because for one bhava, we have to maintain our prestige level, we have to maintain our self-esteem level from the beginning of our life till the end of our life. That karaka is always required to the entire life. Then if we take second bhava speaks about money. Second bhava is liquid money. We want money to survive throughout our life. Then only it is possible to survive. That is why that karaka should be always throughout our life. Then sixth bhava is employment, and sixth bhava is digestion. It should be always throughout our life. Seventh bhava is husband and wife relationship, other person's relationship also seventh bhava. It should be always there to survive our life throughout till our end. The tenth bhava is our profession and our prestigious level in any karma. It should be there also till the end of our life. All karagas should be there till the end of our life. That is why it is called stable bhava. Stable bhava means the karagas should be very stable till the end of our life. But if we take unstable bhava, it is not necessary the karagas should be always there. For example, if we take fourth bhava is unstable, fourth bhava, what are the karagas of fourth bhava? Fourth bhava karagas, first bhava is education, elementary education up to school level. We will finish the elementary education school level before 16 years or 15 years, then we will finish the school. Then we will not go to school again in our life. That is, it will happen once in a life. Then house, we will construct one house or two houses throughout our life. Then we will withhold that construction activities. Then we will take another thing. If we take fifth bhava is unstable bhava. If fifth bhava is getting child, we will get child once, twice only throughout our life. And then we will not get child every year. No. That bhava karaga will be there once or twice throughout our life. It is enough. But it is not for 1, 2, 6, 7, 10. Fourth, third bhava, fourth bhava, fifth bhava, and eighth we will leave it. Ninth bhava. All bhava karagas are very unstable. Sometimes dasa buddhi is enough to carry out the karagas of that bhava. It is enough. If any dasa buddhi is interlinked with the fourth bhava, it is enough to give that karagas, and it is enough. Okay. Now we will say about fourth bhava. To have good lungs, and the lungs should be work well to deliver enough oxygen into the blood. Suppose fourth house interlinks with all odd bhavas. Odd bhavas means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Suppose the fourth house interlinks with all odd bhavas, it is very good aspect. Then the lungs will work well. There will not be any disease for lungs. If there is any contagious disease also, the lungs will not get into that. The lungs will always deliver good oxygen into the body. Then body oxygen level will always maintain to up to 95%, 96% it will maintain. Suppose if fourth house interacts with even houses without 2, 4, 6, 10. It is also very good. It is also very good aspect, but to certain level only. By moderate aspect, we can tell it as moderate aspect, or it is very good aspect. It is good aspect. We are telling that if the fourth house interlinks with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 means very good aspect, means because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 all inner bhavas and odd bhavas. If any house interlinks with inner house bhavas, it will be very favor to Lagna. Then we have to see Lagna bhava also. For anything we have to see Lagna bhava also. But fourth bhava is purposely fourth bhava denotes lungs. We are seeing directly fourth bhava. Fourth bhava interlinks with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is very favorable to Lagna bhava. It is very good aspect. Even if it interlinks with 2, 4, 6, 10, it is good aspect. Suppose if it in fourth bhava interlinks with 8 and 12 bhava, not 8 or 12, even we will take 6 here. We will take 6 here. It is very bad aspect. Because 6 is disease, 8 is multiple disease and uncurable disease, and 12 is getting hospitalized and taking treatment for the disease of lung disease. 6, 8, it is very bad aspect. Anybody having fourth bhava interlinks with 6, 8, 12, it is very bad aspect. Their lungs will be it will susceptible for getting any lung disease. We have to see from the horoscope duly casted by advanced KP stellar method software. Then we have to see dasa buddhi also this period. Then we will see the graha karaga. The same analysis for graha karaga also. Graha karaga Rahu is the Rahu planet is the Graha Karaka for lungs. In this way also, this Rahu planet should be interlinked with 13579. It is very good aspect. Very good aspect. Then definitely the planet Rahu is planet Rahu will do according to the inner aspect only. It will be in bar with Lagna Bhava. Definitely it will not do any harm. Then okay. If Rahu is interlinked with 2, 4, 6, 10, it is also good aspect. Good aspect during Rahu Dasa, Rahu Bhukti. Definitely anything won't happen. Definitely some good thing only will happen. The lungs will be okay. The lungs will not get deteriorated due to any disease. If it interlinks with 6, 8, 12, we can sometimes 4 also we can take. We can take sometimes 4 also this thing, because 4 also denotes stagnant disease. 4 also stagnant, and 6 is disease, and 8 is multiple disease, and 12 is getting hospitalized. It is very bad aspect. Very bad. So in conclusion, we have to see both the planet Rahu and fourth house also. Suppose if fourth house interlinks with 6, 8, 12, during that time some Dasabuti will be running. Suppose Dasabuti during some contagious period, nowadays very contagious period, we are all under lockdown, and if some Dasavuti running, if Dasavuti shows 5, 7, 11 bhavas, then 5, 7, 11 bhavas, this 6, 8, 12 will not work. This 5, 7, 11 bhava will work, 5, 7, 11 work, and 6, 8, 12 will not work, and definitely they won't get any lung disease. At the same time, if Rahu also getting 6, 8, 12, Rahu Dasa is running. Suppose if Rahu Dasa is running, Bhukti of some other planet, you can take Venus also. If Venus, Rahu shows 6, 8, 12, but Bhukti Venus shows 5, 7, means definitely the Bhukti oppose the evil aspect of Rahu, and definitely there will not be any hospitalization, and there will not be any disease for that. In deep, we have to see another also. This fourth house, this is one kind of solution. Then another aspect is we have to see from the horoscope of the individual. This fourth house being Kaspal Lord. This fourth house being Kaspal Lord for being Kaspal Lord. Say if it is Sun. Say if it is Sun. It is fourth Kaspal Sublord. This fourth Kaspal Sublord should not be positioned as the Kaspal Sublord for 8th and 12 houses. If it automatically being Kaspal Sublord for 8th and 12 houses, it is very bad. It is very bad. Even we take 6 also. 6, 8, 12. Fourth Kaspal Sublord should be the Kaspal Sublord for 6, 8, 12. Also very bad aspect. Otherwise, fourth Kaspal Sublord, Kaspal Subsublord. Kaspal Subsublord for 6, 8, 12 also very bad. Otherwise, Kaspal Sublord of Star Lord. Kaspal Sublord of 4, 8, 12. Usually, you are all aware of that. All Kaspal Sublord, mostly the Kaspal Sublords will come in Trigona Bhava only. Kaspal Sublord, if the Kaspal Sublord is 4, 8, 12, it is also too bad. It is also the interlink, some kind of interlink. It will also damage the function of lungs, and they are very susceptible for corona. We have to analyze in that way also. Suppose if Rahu is here, the planet also Rahu, and fourth bhava is having the same, some kind of either this or that combinations, then this is very bad, very acute, very bad. And we have to see each and every area. I hope you all will have that same combination. I am telling only the combination. As per the casted horoscope, KP Stellar, advanced KP Stellar astrology method of our Guruji Devraj sir, we have to cast each and every horoscope in that software. Then only we can ascertain whether we are capable of getting corona disease. other whether you will deprive the level of oxygen in your body and other thing only by the horoscope casted by advanced KP stellar astrology software. We have to analyze each and every aspect. Then we have to see the dasa buddhi also, because for every the fourth house is unstable house, non-stable house. For dasa buddhi combination is will work very hard. We have to see the dasa buddhi. Suppose if dasa buddhi opposes the destiny of fourth house, then definitely it will not be there. I told already. We have to see from the horoscope. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll put more and more thing in the future. Thank you very much.